You got something special for us today, Gordon?
I do have something special. One, I love today's laptops. ThinkPad X1 Yoga, small, thin, but sometimes I just want something smaller, but I don't want to give up the screen real estate.
How do you do that?
Check it out. ThinkPad X1 family, no name for it yet. This is a prototype unit, folks, prototype unit, but it's gonna blow your mind.
That looks nice.
Looks like a standard folio, moleskin, like one of those people writing the great American novel in Starbucks, but check it out.
Whoa.
Folding screen. You can use it in a reader mode, because now we're reading our book,
Oh.
right? You can use it in your lap. Use like this, basically 9.6-inch screen. You get your virtual keyboard.
Nice.
And which is pretty cool, but you know what? Sometimes you want to do some real work. You need that screen real estate.
Yeah, you got to compose an email.
We're going to compose an email, so you use your Bluetooth keyboard. You stand it up. Not going to show how, but now look, 13.6 inches. Basically a full laptop experience. I can't tell you too much about what's inside because Lenovo hasn't told me. They do say it is Windows based. It is running an Intel processor, so no ARM here, folks. The screen itself, LGE 2K OLED panel, 4:3 aspect ratio, 13.3 inches, very important. So essentially you're getting your full laptop experience right here in something that just folds up just like it's tiny.
Yeah, well, why don't you pick it up and fold it again? Let me see.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Here we go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I know you're saying, oh, I heard there's problems with these folding screens. There's problems with that stuff. Lenovo says, hey, we are testing the hinge in this thing to basically exceed the folds of the ThinkPad Yoga. One very important thing they're saying about this screen is the way they've designed it, it doesn't actually put any stress right here on the screen. Other screens, you're actually sort of like, you're stretching it, you're compressing the screen. The way they've designed this, they're not really telling us exactly how they did it, but it simply bends the screen. There's no compression of it. A lot of those things that could lead to issues on other folding devices that are out there. For ports, you're getting USB-C, no Thunderbolt 3 here, folks. Probably too much, a little too much there in the power department.
And there's two of them.
There's two of them. USB DisplayPort out as well.
And you're getting stereo firing speakers.
You're getting stereo firing speakers. The Wacom pen it's actually a Wacom pen, so folks are interested, so no more batteries. Don't have to worry about that. Pretty cool.
Well, what about the price?
Price unknown. When you can buy this, sometime in first half of 2020, so obviously it's far away, but this is working. This is not a fake device. This is clearly running Windows. I can't look at what the processor is. It's probably not what's going to end up in the end anyway, but it's a real panel. It's not a wood mock-up. There are some screenshots just to show the functionality, but I can tell you it is running Windows on this device, fully operational. So we're probably a lot closer to this than than it seems. But I really want to point out, I mean, this is what we're used to right now. You get your 14-inch or 13.3-inch laptop. These are wonderful. We have made quantum leaps in PC laptops in the last 5 years. But to get this, 13.3 inches of screen real estate in something this tiny, right?
Yeah, you can just throw that in your bag.
You can throw your Bluetooth keyboard in your bag. You can throw this in your bag. It has pen support. It has touch support. I mean, it's got everything. And what I really like is you're getting 13.3 inches of screen in something this tiny. Like, I love how far we've come in laptops, but to get this much screen practically in your bag, weighing less than this, and you are just. This could be the laptop of the future, basically. Or as they pointed out, this could be the notebook of the future. Maybe nobody's going to want something like that. They're going to want this because, I mean, you just, look at that. Look at all that screen you're getting.
Nice. Well, we're excited to learn more. Hopefully early next year.
early next year, we're going to see it hopefully. And I'm excited because I really don't want to lug around a big old clamshell laptop anymore.